Well, we tied a record high yesterday, 63 degrees. Today, we're talking about 2 chances for wintry weather in the week ahead. So some big changes here in southern New England. Let's take a look right now. It's dry on our roadways in North Scituate. The morning commute expected to be just fine. East Providence as well, looking at dry conditions as we look towards the capital city. Our threat tracker is elevated for today. I'm not expecting a major storm system, but I am expecting some impacts as some rain mixes with and changes to some wet snowfall. That could bring some reduced visibility, but because the temperatures are going to be up above freezing, we're not expecting much in the way of accumulation, certainly not on the roadways, with some small amounts possible on the grass or car tops. Tuesday's threat tracker is in the green, but that heads up for Wednesday, Thursday. Right now I have us in the medium threat level, but we would probably boost that up to the high based on the latest data for especially Wednesday night and Thursday morning. It's dry during the day Wednesday, but snow and wind possible at night. The potential for some more significant accumulations. Here's our live radar right now. Some light snow showers and flurries starting to fall over parts of western Massachusetts right now. Leading edge of this precipitation going to push our way as the morning goes on. It's initially running into some dry air, which is why we're expecting the morning hours before 9 o'clock in the morning to be mainly dry. We're in the lower to middle 30s in Smithfield and in Providence right now, 36 in Newport and 31 in Westerly, with winds that are light and going to stay that way during the daytime today. So we do expect to see some wet snow and some rain filling into the area. The temperatures though make it into the middle and upper 30s. That's much cooler than yesterday. Here's a look at the 2 systems that we're tracking for this week. The one over the Rockies is our Wednesday night and Thursday storm system, and then we've got this area of low pressure that's a weaker system that's going to be passing well south of us today. Cold front came through late yesterday, bringing in the cooler air, and behind the storm we've got a big area of high pressure that's going to build in and keep us very cold and seasonably cold for Tuesday and Wednesday and set the stage for the snow on Wednesday night and Thursday. Let's take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast for today. So temperatures in the middle and upper 30s at 10 a.m. You can see some of these rain showers starting to develop, and then in noon we're looking at rain showers, Providence down to the coastline. Could see rain or some wet snow mixing in the higher elevations north and west of Providence, and then as the afternoon wears on, some of that wet snow will make its way further south into Providence and possibly even down to the coastline before it all tapers off. So we're not expecting a lot in the way of accumulations as the skies clear tonight. We're looking at about a coating to an inch for most, looking at less than an inch for the majority of the area, but could be a couple of spots that get a little over an inch on the grass or car tops. Again, roadways are going to be mainly wet. Tonight down to 27. It is a chilly day tomorrow. Again, that area of high pressure builds in. That brings us the cold weather for Tuesday and Wednesday and sets the stage for the snow as this system, the area of low pressure, moves off the mid-Atlantic coastline and spreads into southern New England. So the exact track of this storm, the intensity of it, still we're working out those details. That's going to really nail down the accumulation amounts for us, but there is the potential for heavy snow, for gusty winds, for even some minor coastal flooding in eastern Massachusetts. So still too early to say exactly how much snow is going to fall, but it is likely that we'll see a plowable snow here in southern New England with the potential for more than 6 inches of snow, less as you head further to the north. Here's that 7-day forecast, and boy, does it look like midwinter. 30s for highs, nighttime lows, a lot of them in the teens and 20s. Cold and dry Tuesday. Again, no issues for traveling in the morning or even possibly the evening commute on Wednesday. It's after the evening commute that snow is most likely to arrive, but expect a disruptive storm. So Thursday could see some significant impacts to travel conditions, especially in the morning.